Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam, 2nd Canto, 1st chapter, shloka number 3. Bhagavatam 2:1-3. Life of an attached householder. Nidraya hriyate naktam, nidraya hriyate naktam, vyavayena cha vayah, vyavayena cha vayah, vyavayena cha vayah, divacharte haya rajan, divacharte haya rajan, kutumba bharane nava, kutumba bharane nava, kutumba bharane nava, nidraya hriyate naktam, vyavayena cha vayah, divacharte haya rajan, kutumba bharane nava, kutumba bharane nava. This is the instruction given by Sukadeva Goswami to Maharaj Parikshit. The lifetime of such an envious householder is passed at night, either in sleeping or in sex indulgence, and in the daytime, either in making money or maintaining family members. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.